Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 11, Training QA Teams and Improving Efficiency. In this video, you will learn why training QA teams is important. What should QA teams be trained on? Real-world training scenario. Methods to train QA teams. Sample tools for QA training. Improving efficiency with technology. Measuring training impact. Why training QA teams is important. A well-trained QA team is the backbone of any quality system. Training reduces mistakes and builds a culture of continuous improvement. Ensures consistent understanding of quality standards. Reduces inspection errors and missed defects. Increases speed and confidence in decision-making. Prepares QA for buyer audits and product evaluations. What should QA teams be trained on? 1. Defect identification and classification. Stains color shading versus misprint. 2. Inspection procedures. Inline, final, AQL-based, sampling method. 3. Buyer-specific requirements. Measurement tolerances, label position, packaging. 4. SOP knowledge. Fabric inspection, trim checking, test protocols. 5. Using tools and machines. Lightbox, GSM cutter, test equipment, software apps. Real-world training scenario. Issue. QA team at a knitwear factory misclassified stitch skipping as a minor defect. Result. Buyer returned 15,000 pieces due to visible stitch issues. Action taken. QA manager held refresher training using defect photos and buyer standards. A printed defect classification chart was placed at all QA stations. Outcome. Defect detection rate improved in next audit. 98% pass rate. Methods to train QA teams. Classroom training, using SOPs, buyer manuals, videos. On-the-job coaching, walking lines, live defect identification. Mock inspections, practicing final audits on sample pieces. Shadowing, junior QA follows senior for real inspections. Monthly refresher programs, to keep knowledge updated. Sample tools for QA training. Defect photo catalog flipbook. Videos of good versus bad quality stitching. Real garment samples with intentional defects. Printed SOPs in local language. Laminated pocket cards. Inspection tips, buyer specs. Improving efficiency with technology. Use mobile apps to record inspection results. Digital checklist instead of paper. Auto alerts for defect trend spikes. Real-time dashboards for production lines. Barcode scanning for sample tracking. Example. Using a tablet to log inline defects saves 30 minutes per shift per inspector. Measuring training impact. KPIs to monitor. First time right percent. Final inspection pass rate. Audit failure reasons. Inspector error reports. Training attendance and test scores. Tip. Set goals and track progress monthly. Reduce QA errors by 25% in 3 months. Quick summary. Module 11. Regular training keeps QA teams sharp and consistent. Mix classroom plus practical training for best results. Use visuals and real garment samples in training. Train QA on buyer specs and SOPs. Measure and improve team efficiency with digital tools. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 12, Enhancing Final Inspection Outcomes.